Good morning, people. What's up? How are you doing today? Today is a Monday. We are doing a day in my life. It is going to be a busy day, and I wanted to bring you along with me as I usually do on my busy days. We are going to try and work out. We're going to be productive. It's going to be a productive day. We're going to get homework done. We're going to pack. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and head downstairs. Got my morning spark, and it's in there. And my water, fruit punch, saving the day. One thing I have to say that's good for me, not really good for everybody else, is that people have started giving up on their 8 a.m.s. So there's a lot more parking in the morning now than there normally is, which is like, my plans for today, I have a break. I have class 8, 10, and 12. So I have a break at 9 and 11, and I'm gonna try to work out at either one of those slots. Kind of cool out here. I don't know if you can see how windy it is. It's a little cool. But yeah, I'm gonna try to work out. And then I'm also gonna try and make an appointment to get my hair cut either today or tomorrow. And then I have also like oodles of homework I need to do. And one of my teachers, he's been gone for 2 weeks, and he's also gone this week, so it's 3 weeks total. But he's posted like his lectures online, so I need to watch those. Need to edit a video, lots of stuff. So I decided to go ahead and go to the gym. So that's what we're doing now. It's like 8:55, so I'll have until about 9 until about 9:40, and then I gotta go to my next class, and I'm just gonna go sweaty because that's what I'm gonna do. So update, I went to class today after you saw my Panera that I ate earlier, and what I'm about to do now, I'm finally home. I've been running around errands and stuff. I haven't stopped. And so now I'm about to take some promo pics for Pink. Ignore all of our recycling over there. There's a lot of mess. There's a lot of mess. But I'm about to take some promo pinks. We're having a pink event this Sunday, and so I'm taking pictures of the ads, and we're giving out Starbucks gift cards. So it's not much long after my last update, but I just unloaded the dishwasher, did some dishes. I have been into juice and stuff lately. And so sorry for how bad I look right now. I really apologize. But I got this from Kroger, and they sell the same stuff in Starbucks, but at Starbucks it's like $5, and at Kroger it was like 2 for $5 or something like that. And this is the Evolution Fresh Organic Green Devotion juice. And yesterday I tried kombucha, if I'm saying that right, for the first time, and I got this strawberry lemonade kind. It was so good, and I'm not even lying. Like, I know this may sound dramatic, but I felt like I was feeling sick yesterday, but after I drank it, I felt better. And so I'm not saying like I'm making it up, but like, I don't know, it made me feel good. So I'm about to try this, and you know, we can lie and say green juice is good, but half the time it really is not. I smell celery. That's really bad, but I know it's healthy. That's really bad. That's really bad. But I'm gonna drink it. Tastes like blended up celery and kale. But you know, I'm gonna drink it. Maybe not all at one time, but hi, what up? So I just took a shower. It's like 4 or something right now. And I was gonna like lay down, you know, watch some Netflix and chill. But since I've already done a workout, I've already done all this stuff, I just checked my emails, and I got an email from Old Navy saying their flannels are on sale for $12, and they were like $30 or something like that last time I went. So I'm about to put on some clothes and go to Old Navy. And the reason I took a shower is because I literally smelled like trash. Like, honestly, I don't see how the boys that I sat beside in class today did not spray me with Febreze or like move to the other side of the room, because I worked out this morning, and y'all, I smell bad after I work out. Like, I'm gonna just be honest. And so yeah, I couldn't stand the way I smell anymore, so I'm just about to go makeup free, put my hair back, and go to Old Navy and more. Okay, I look like a 12-year-old boy, but we're going to Old Navy. I also forgot to mention, I have a lot of stuff I have to do, and it's 4:30 because I actually decided I'm going home tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday, and then it goes into our fall break, but there's a hurricane coming Wednesday. So I want to go ahead and be home before the hurricane. I feel sorry for the people in Old Navy. I stocked up, guys. I stocked up. Well, I wouldn't actually say I stocked up, but I got 3, but I was planning on getting like 1. But I mean, I saved $50, so I'll show you what I got. So these are the 3 that I got, and I got this one in a medium, and the black and white one, and then the yellowish color in larges. I got the medium in case like I want it to be a little bit more fitted, and the large is for when I want it more oversized. But yeah, for $12, and when they're regular like 20 something, 30, that's not bad. That's not bad. And I will wear these for years. Like, I have some from years ago that I still wear. Okay, so the 5th episode of The World of Jake Paul, or the Shane Dawson series with Jake Paul, is out. And I'm mad at myself because I didn't realize it was out earlier today, but now I'm taking a little break. It's like 5 o'clock, 5:30. I just ate some food, and I'm gonna watch this before I pack and be productive. Hey guys, what's up? Got The Office playing. I'm gonna pause that for a second. What time is it? It is like 7:30 right now. I watched the Shane Dawson series, but I didn't like sit here and watch the whole thing. As soon as I said I was gonna sit down and watch the whole thing, I got up and started packing, and that's what I've been doing ever since. Now I'm like trying to find outfits to wear home, because I'm going home tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday, and then I'm gonna stay home until early Sunday morning, which I don't have anything like special planned. Well, I mean, I have some things that I'm gonna be doing, but I'm trying to find something to wear to my brother's football game Friday. So we shall see about what I end up finding to wear. This outfit I have on really doesn't make any sense at all. I've not done my homework yet, which it's not due until Wednesday, but I'm gonna get it done tonight, or as much as I can. Oh my goodness, I just remembered I have to watch like 4 hours of lectures. What have I done today? What have I done? Oh buddy, I got so much to do. Okay, so I'm probably not gonna sleep until like midnight. I gotta edit a video, which, I mean, whatever I don't get done tonight, I can do tomorrow night. I really just need to pack and get stuff ready to go home. But yeah, you have not heard the last from me. I'm gonna keep watching The Office while I find outfits and pack. Okay, just an update. It is like 9:30. I don't even know the last time I saw you guys, but this turned into a cleaning spree. So I'm a pink rep, as you know, and I had to clean out my car because my car is my like pink closet, basically, like my trunk and everything. So we are basically, and we're doing like getting the recycling ready to take, and I folded all this laundry, and there's just pink stuff everywhere, and just trash and clothes. I'm about to do another load of laundry, and then I gotta fold all that, and it's just not ending. It's just not ending. So I'm gonna finish doing all this pink stuff, then start taking my clothes upstairs. I still haven't done my homework. It's 9:30. I'm sleepy. I thought I was gonna get to go to bed early tonight, you know, but whatever. Hi guys, what's up? So right now it's after 12, as in midnight, and Claire, girl, she's tired. Still haven't done any of my homework, but it's not due until Wednesday. So sorry, somebody just messaged me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do about my homework, I'm going home tomorrow. I'll probably get home at like 3 or so, and I'm just gonna do it all tomorrow night. Like, I'm doing it at my house. I'm just gonna have to do it. And I really need to edit a video, which I could do that right now. And I'm gonna do that real quick, probably. I'm so tired. I'm just so tired. So I'm probably gonna edit that in like go through my emails one more time, make sure nothing is due tomorrow. And yeah, sorry today was like weird, but it was pretty productive. I did a lot that I didn't show y'all. Like I cleaned up everything downstairs. I did 4 loads of laundry and folded all of it, which is like, woo, and packed, and I cleaned, and I did dishes. So yeah, I've been going all day. I haven't stopped, and I'm really sleepy. This is late for Claire. And then I need to be up extra early in the morning to make sure I have everything, because tomorrow is a Tuesday and I'm waking up, going to class, and then I get out of class at 10:45. I'm getting my hair cut at 11, which is, it's gonna be cutting it. And so I'm gonna run to that, and then I'm gonna go to my car and go straight home. So I will keep y'all updated, and I'm getting my bangs back tomorrow. I'm kind of nervous about it, but it's time to change up the look. So y'all have a great night. Thank you for listening to everything today and watching this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, because I want you to be a part of my little YouTube fam. We have some big stuff coming soon, and I can't wait for you to join the ride. So have a great day or night or morning wherever you are, and I love ya. Can't wait to see you in my next video. Mwah. I missed my hand. Mwah.